minutes stretching on the ground. Let's go ahead and start. We're going to do extended linear stretch. So I'm going to lift my tush up and get myself in that good alignment. Stretching it on up, girls. I'm going to put my hands actually just where I had them right here so that I can roll forward on my sits. Go ahead and inhale, shoulders up. Big inhale, shoulders back. Think, girls, up as you drop those shoulders. You're rolling forward on your sit bones. Should really feel those lats. Thigh bones back. Hold, 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 hold. Ooh, that looks nice. And release. Yay, Laura. Good work. You're really getting those ribs up now. You're really connected to that. It's hard. All right, so now we're going to go ahead. Let's do this one. Same thing, but we're going to use this for leverage. So knees are up. Press them back. Even check in like ankle activate. Feel the difference with that. Let's go ahead. Inhale, hunch. Shoulders back, down. Press against the legs, leg against hands, and rock forward again. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Now you're ready. We're going to rock forward. Straighten, pull it back up. Ribs up again. 2 more times. Push, 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 push. Press and bring it back up. Nice. Woo, you guys look good. Ready? Press, 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 bring them back up. Good work. Now, keep them like this. I'm going to do the turn. See, because we've done so much of this shoulder to the side, how you feel on this one. So you're keeping these up. This is the one you have to kind of play with. One hand is here, one hand is here, so that you can press into the ground and square your shoulders to the side. Oh, yeah. Use your fingers in the ground, press square. Now bring them a little further towards the knee. Push in, square the shoulders. Now come on over that side. In other words, this tush, that hip is up off the ground. Keep that back knee back. You're ready? You're going to push in. Think, stretch up in your ribs. Square your shoulders. Come on over a little bit to that side. Keep that tension. And you ready? 1, 2, 3. You're going to straighten and bend. Release. Oh, I love that. Knees back. Ribs up first. Turn, square those shoulders. Stretch the ribs as you come over. Ready? Point and straighten. One more time. You should really feel that all around that lower back. Stretch and straighten. Nice. All right, come on back. Come on back. Did you guys feel it all in here, cinching? It's intense. Could you feel it? Good. Very good. Okay, so ribs up here. Ankle activate. One hand here, one hand here. Use the fingers. Turn the shoulders. Woo! You might have to take this hand back a little bit. I have kind of wide shoulders. I know Jess does too. Come up on this hip a little bit. Come closer to the knee. Ready? Inhale. Stretch up ribs first. Square shoulders. Lean over just a little bit and point and flex. Good. Keep the knees back as much as you can, especially on that other one. One more time. Turn shoulders. Lift ribs. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Straighten and bring it back up. Oh, nice. Let's come back to the center. Ooh, you guys look good. Just one more time. Inhale, hunch. Shoulders back. You ready? Push, stretch, come forward and release. Nice. Let's pull them back in. In. Oh, good work. Point the toes, point the toes. We're going to do a few in-outs. Lift, drop, fingers to the side, bend those elbows. Elbows towards each other, stretch it up, pull the belly in. Let's go 4 in. You ready? Here we go. It's 1 and touch, 2 and touch, 3 and touch, and 4 and touch, and bring it up. Tuck, turn out. You're going to be on your critter feet. You're ready, ribs up. Here we go for 4. Out and up, 2 and up, 3 and 4. Bring it up. Yes, we're doing Hoe Downs on the ground. Here we go. Drop and up. I kind of snuck it in, didn't I? 3 and 4, bring it up and turn out. Here we go. Lean back, touch. 2, squeeze between your shoulder blades. Keep the form. Here we go for 2s. Down and up, hold, open, and out and up, hold. Bring it up. 2s again. Drop and up. 2 and up, hold, and open, and out and touch, and up. You ready for singles? It's hard for the count. Here we go. Drop and out, and straight and out, and straight, up and out, and straight and up and out. Yes, work. All right, knee and ankle. See when you come over, if you can keep your knees together. You ready? Over. Ooh, you can lean back a little, Laura, with your upper body. That'll help you a little bit, I think. Knees together and over. You got it. Good work. Up and over. Oh, up and over. Up and over. Good. Nice chest. Up and over. All right, you did it. Cross, cross. Wiggle on those bones. Oh, let's just come and do a quick stretch. So your hands are here. You're going to inhale, hunch. Shoulders back. Pull them down. And let's just bring that chest forward. You're going to get a good stretch there. Then release. So your elbows right underneath your shoulders. Tuck your chin and push those elbows against the leg. And you're doing that to pull your shoulder back. And just drop. Should feel good. You're going to feel that right under your tush, ideally. Good work. Now, one hand on a knee, the other hand on a knee, lean back, switch, switch. So you're going to switch those legs. Come on up. Just doing it again. Stretch it up tall. Come on over. Good. Release, release. Press against those shoulders, shoulders back. Big inhale. Feel those ribs expand. Exhale, let it go. Woo. Good work. All right. Hand on the knee. Hand on the knee. All the way up. Let's get our little cushy. If you need a cushy. If you don't, it's fine. But we're going to do some side series now. So putting it right here. Little hip on there. I'm going to go straight on up. So this is a great one to do, though we're doing pretzel twist. So you're straight in alignment, right? Taking this hand on the ground and kind of climbing it up. So the further away the torso, you're getting more rib to hip, right? This hand is here. And then you can even press in and think shoulder back, like I'm pushing my hand in to pull my shoulder back and get really tight. Legs are cemented. Oh, yeah, and drop. Here we go again. 2 and drop. 3, feel that in your waist, cinching it in. 5 and down. 6 and 7 and 8. Good work. Okay, you're ready. We're going to lift the upper body up 2. Keep the head right in alignment. Squeeze at that waist. Bring it on down. Nice. Here we go again. Lift and down. And stretch it out and down. And 3 and down. 4. Good work. And 5. And how about pulling the belly button in when you lift? Feel that. 7. Just give me one more. Man, I'm feeling that in the waist today. Good work. All right, now, leg a little higher than the hip. Good. You're bringing the bottom. Bring it up now. Squeeze your thighs together and open. See if you can feel that in your waist, too. Let's do 6. Squeeze and open. Squeeze and open. Man, up that high, I can really feel it in the waist. I don't know about you guys. And 4 and open. 5 and 6 and 7. Good work. All right, now, both legs come to the middle. Flutter, flutter, flutter. You kind of got to pull your belly in, really engage your core to keep those so that your weight is there. And drop. Let's bring this top one over. Bottom one flex, toes up. Let's lift and drop and lift and drop. Check and do like an ankle activate. Feel the difference when you do that on that inner thigh. And ankle activate. And there. So your toes are forward, pressing. Yeah, nice. Give me 3 more. Give me 1. Dropper and 2. Last one. 3. Good work. All right. Bottom leg bends. Top leg is up. Come on up on this elbow. Stretch it up like we've been doing on pretzel twist. Good work. Leg is up. Stretch it out as high as you can. Now turn so that that knee is almost like trying to hit the floor. Stretch up from here. So you're reaching out. You ready? Lift and down. Keep it lifted and down. Keep pressing in. Stretch out in the torso and down. And keep that knee straight forward. Reach out and drop. Press out, reach and drop. Just give me 2 more. Reach and lift. Drop, reach and lift. Good work. How about flex? How about ankle activate? Reach it out, lift and down. Stretch out in that torso too. Stretch out, reach and down. Interesting, right? Even ankle activate there you can feel. Stretch, reach and down. 2 more. Down, out and drop. Last one, reach, lift, and down, point. Bring it knee to knee. Good, kind of like in a diva position. Nice, now straighten this top leg, flex it, lift it a little higher so you're kind of hip high, press it forward. Now think, ankle activate, drop, lift from the heel, 2, and up. 3, and up. Who wants to cry right now? You should really feel it here. Just give me 2 more. Hang in there. Don't cry. And lift. Good work. All right, pull it back. Oh, take it back. Press that heel into your tush, and then keep the knee up from the hip and tuck. Ooh, you guys feel that good stretch on that quad. I'm right about to cramp, so I'm going to go to here. All right, nice work. Up and over to the other side. Darn it, it's already 14. I was forgetting we were only a 15-minute-er. I am a nutball. Here we go, straight down. Sorry, I'm talking fast. I'm moving fast. Let's stretch her out, hip is forward, toes are there, ribs are up. You're ready. Lift, lift, and down. 2, and down. 3, good work. And 4, and 5. Give me a 6, and a 7. Nice. And an 8. Okay, you ready? Upper body 2. Here we go. Cinch into that waist and down. And 2. And down. Really feel that waist work. Whittling away. That's 5 and down. And 6 and down. I'm really pulling on my shag here. And down. And 8 and down. Good work. Leg up. You're ready. When you come up, squeeze your thighs and open. Squeeze and open. Keep squeezing, press into the shag carpet and pull that shoulder back. And 7, good work. You need 1 more. 8, nice work. And take that, oh, sorry, we didn't do the flutter. Flutter, got to flutter. Pull the belly in, feel the tension, and drop. All right, top leg down, bottom leg flex it, and then think ankle. And lift, and down, and 2, and down. Good work. It's 3, and drop, 4, and down, 5, and down, pressing in, 6, and down, and 7, nice, and 8. I think that's enough. Let's take the top one up, bend the bottom. Come on up, stretch yourself up tall. Taking that thigh bone, roll it down, stretch up. Let's reach it out, lift, and down, reach out, lift, and down. See if you can stay tall here, and down, reach out, lift, and down, out and lift, and down. Good work. Boy, we're working all that today, aren't we? Reach out, lift, and down, and out, and down. Give me 1 more. Hang in, lift out, and down. Good work. Now flex. Now think ankle. Reach out, lift, drop, up, and drop. Reach out, lift, and down. Give me 3 more. Down and lift, and drop. 2 more. Lift, and drop. Last one. Lift, and drop. Good work, girls. Bring those knees right out into the diva. Good. Take that foot straight out the top one. Ankle. Ready. Lift and straight down. So it's up, straight down from that hip. Reach up and down. Feel it right here. And down. Good work. Lift and down and lift and down. Give me 2 more. Oh my goodness. Last one. I want to kill myself. That teacher is such a witch. Pull back. Press that leg against there, curl under, feel the stretch on the top of that leg. Well, you guys are doing great. All right, come up. Now, I know we're getting out in time, but I'm going to do 1 more set of Hoe Downs on the ground. Can you hang with me? Come on, so we'll get some heart rate up. Heart rate goes up every time, doesn't it? Here we go. Lift, tush, elbows back. Here we go for 4. It's touch and out. 2 and out. 3 and 4, hold open, out and in, 2 and 3 and 4, bring it in, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, now out, 2, 3 and 4, 2 counts, it's front, 4, 2, here we go, right out, 4, 2, again, 2s, front, 4, 2, and out, 4, 2, left, just goes, front, and out, and 2, and out, nice work, 3 and out, last one, 4 and out, bring them together, bring them up, and we are done. Yes! See if if you can give me a little bit of turn here. Little bit of turn.